Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you that I'm pretty excited about. So this video is I'm gonna install another dash cam on a 2022 Toyota Highlander. I ordered this online from Amazon and I really like it. I think based on the description it looks really good. Can't wait to install it on the car. So it's for 2002 Toyota Highlander. So I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys what it's all about. Also, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed, so take a quick minute, hit the subscribe button down below and let me know what you think. Anyway, let's go, let's unbox it. Let's take it out. Okay guys, so let me show you what this is about. Here you go. So this camera is gonna be installed on my sister's car. So let's just open it up and see what's in. It's supposed to be a replacement for the basically the Highlander has this black cover piece for, like, you know, depending on the model. Some of them have front camera and other, you know, safety stuff in the top, but the one that my sister has does not have anything on the top. It's just a big plastic thing. Let me take it out and show you guys. This is called a FitcamX and it's designed for a bunch of different Toyotas and other cars as well. So when you go on the site, or you can just put the information of your car and then see if it fits your car. The camera is supposed to look like an OEM camera, so let's see. You guys ready? Okay. Here you go, guys. So let me take it out real quick. I'm gonna take out the cables first, guys. All the cables, everything is ready. Let's push this to the side for a second. So first of all, we have the little manual, black and white. Alright, so it tells you how to turn it on, take a picture, how to do it, install in some multiple languages. And it tells you a little bit about the how to do install the Wi-Fi. Like I said, I'll go through all this stuff with you guys after the installation. Okay, so let's put this to the side. So on this little bag here, so we have a little cover. There you go. And we have this cable. So this is supposed to be direct plug and play from your car, so you shouldn't have to run extra wires. So that's for the backup camera. This plugs into the OEM car, this plugs into the camera itself. And you have a little pry tool and a USB micro card reader. And here, just simple, you have the backup camera, and you also have the long cable that goes to the backup camera. So here we go, guys. It's simple enough. So this is it. So basically it's supposed to go like this, and then you won't be able to see it at all. So all right, so once we do the install, it looks like it should be a nice install. So once we install it, guys, I'll go through the process with you. It should be really simple, maybe an hour, 2, give or take, but no more than that. So okay, that's a simple, you know, FitcamX camera, guys. Let me show you real quick. This is all the unit. Okay, so this is everything else. So once I install everything, I will show you guys what it's about. So guys, this camera records at 4K in the front, 1080 in the back, and it has a wide angle of 170 to the front, 140 to the back. It has a CMOS sensor. It also has loop recording, Wi-Fi, and a G sensor just in case someone hits your car. Guys, the camera support up to 128 gig memory card. It also comes with it, so that's very nice of them. Also guys, as you can see in this video, it doesn't look that much different, just a tiny little bump, but when you're sitting in the car you almost don't notice it's there, but it looks really sleek and it's nice. Also guys, another thing I have to mention to you, I'll also put it in the other video, this camera has to use the Fit DVR app, not the FitCam, because the FitCam app does not work. So whatever that's in the box, please don't use that. Search for Fit DVR. That's the app for the if you have iOS. For Google, the regular app should work. All right. This camera should have 4K in the front and 1080 in the back, but the 4K is supposed to be 2160, not a full 4K, but close enough to be called 4K. So some camera that I got should fit in the Highlander 22. Yeah, the Highlander from I believe it's 21 to 22 at least for now. Also guys, I'll put the link in the description down below so you guys can check it out and see for yourself. All right, so anyway guys, so this video is all done, so thank you for watching, and like and subscribe and let me know what you think. Until the next time guys, peace.